Yeah, this song, this song goes out to my favorite song in the world. This song. Here we go. All I'm needing is some music, a melody to brighten up my day, and the notes that I am using. Don't you know that ain't up this way? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time. All the notes that I'm using, they come together in a melody, and you know the one I'm choosing. So everybody sing along with me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time. Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Across the nation.
so. When we get together, I know we're gonna make this place rock. You hear me now?
What do you say we get your friends together with mine? We'll get this party rolling and all have a real good time.
Don't wait a minute, don't hesitate. I'm ready for Chucky's and I will be late.
Happy people, come along with me.
Happy people only.
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Turn it upside down.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway. Yeah, because today we're having fun at Chucky's Place. Happy people, come along with me.
Yeah, come on now.
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Look at him. It's that.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway. Leave them right there, huh? Because today we're having fun. At Chucky's Place. Speaking for Jasper Jowl, Mr. Munch, Pasquale, and the lovely Miss Helen Henning. I want you people to know how much we appreciate you. Because when you have a good time, we have a good time. Thanks for coming back to celebrate with us year after year. Keep smiling and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. These are all my friends. We'll be together till the end. Talented, unique, collectively stronger. Do you comprehend? You've never seen a crew as great as me and you. Squad goals, yeah, that sums it up. You know it's true.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese. Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking the band of make-believe with the Munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you and me to know someone is still with me. Sing with us in perfect harmony. And come on and join the party. And Henny is my name. I'm always singing or playing a game. Ready to compete, I can hang with the band. No chick is quite the same.
I'm Mr. Munch, how are you today? Upon my cosmic keyboard I play. From another planet, so I'm always learning. And I'm also a DJ.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese. Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking the band of make-believe with the Munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you and me. Come along and we think you'll agree. Follow Chucky and you're sure to see. And come on and join the party.
I'm Jasper T playing bass guitar. A simple hound dog, but still a superstar. Man's best friend, or in my case, a mouse. Love taking walks, even if they're far.
I'm the drummer in this band. My mustache is the best in the land. Pasquale's my name, let me tell you a joke. One to the left hand, straight to the right hand.
Friends of Chuck E. Cheese.
You know,
Bella and Jasper T.
he said,
Rocking the band of make-believe with the Munch and Pasquale.
always be right.
Calling out from you and me. Good times that we guarantee.
The right hand, always right.
Hola, me llamo Bella. I'll sing even a cappella. I love to dance and tend my bar. Now here's Chucky, he's a real cool fella.
Chuck E. Cheese here, and that starts with a C. The coolest fucking mouse you'll ever see. Making sure you're having fun is my goal. No other mouse is quite like me.
We're the friends of Chucky Cheese. Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking the band of make-believe with the Munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you and me. Getting together now, that's the key. Let's bring letters that CBC. Come on and join the party.
Put your hands together now. Sing along. Join the party. Ladies and gentlemen, Jasper T. Jacks.
My life has been so very empty since you left me. The house feels big, and yet my world seems very small. I'll sit alone and cry each day ever since you went away. How I miss you since I lost you, my tennis ball. I saw the looks that my friend gave you when he first met you, and he sure seemed to enjoy you, as I recall. I wonder, could it be that he took you away from me? How I wonder where you gone, my tennis ball.
Hey, Jasper. About this song.
Oh, it's great. In Kentucky, country music has been getting way too commercial. I'm bringing it back to its roots.
Yeah, well, don't you think it's a little depressing?
It's full of emotion, Chucky. It's a song about one dog's undying love for that special tennis ball that got away. It's a story as old as time.
Well, maybe if I added some electric guitar, it might help, pep things up.
Hope you know what you're doing there, Chuck.
Well, go ahead. See what you did.
All day I only hear the silence of your absence. And I only hear my lonely teardrops fall. Oh, how I long to hear the sound of you bouncing on the ground. I just can't seem to forget you, my tennis ball. Now, Tucky, I really don't think this is
I remember rocking through the days with you, doing all the fun things that we used to do. Where did I go wrong? Where did I fall? I wanna know it's tennis ball. I remember all the special times we shared. Through the thick and thin, I knew that you'd be there. You and I together, we've been through it all. You'll always be my tennis ball. You'll always be my tennis ball. You'll always be my tennis ball.
Oh, I guess I'm just a fool to sit here waiting for you. But this fool desires nothing else at all. I'll wait until the day I see you come rolling back to me. But till then, I'll just keep waiting for my tennis ball. Oh, brother.
Hey, Jasper,
Chuck, you found it.
go get it. I don't think it's that. When life brings you trouble, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. 'Cause there's a silver lining to every cloud that's gray. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, 'cause everything will be okay.
I wish that I was outside, just a playing in the sun. But it's raining cats and dogs, and I'm not having any fun. But there's no better weather for nap
And don't you know? And it takes both the sun and the rain to make a garden grow. That's why I say, when life brings you trouble, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. Because the flowers wouldn't grow, no, if it wasn't for the rain. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, cause everything will be okay.
My team and I are struggling, and we might just lose the game. I know that I have made mistakes, and I feel that I'm to blame.
But there are lessons we are learning with every chance we take. And there's no way to get better if we never make mistakes. That's why I say, when life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. Cause you're only getting better every time you play. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, cause everything will be okay.
I was doing arts and crafts, and I must have used too much glue. Because I'm stuck now to the table, and I don't know what to do.
Well, listen now, Pasquale, because, that is a really tough situation.
Yeah.
Pasquale, you're wearing oven mitts. Why don't you just take your hands out?
Oh. Thanks, Chuck.
Anytime, buddy. Remember now, when life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. And if you're stuck, you know I'll be there to help you on your way. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, cause everything will be okay. Whoa! This is the best I've ever done at this game! I can't believe how well I'm doing!
You might be on your game, it might be going good. You might be playing better than you ever thought you could. You're really in the zone, every move is right, and it feels really awesome to be on the winning side. You wanna celebrate, but don't you brag or boast. Don't you be a show-off or the one doing the most. It's better to be gracious, know this, I guarantee. And being a sore winner is a losing game to me. So at the end of the game, no matter how well you play, there's something you gotta say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners at the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game.
Aw! No, no! Ah, Bella, I was doing so well!
You might be off your game and barely getting by. You might just not be winning even though you try and try. You just can't catch a break and it makes you wanna scream. You're feeling so frustrated, you're not on the winning team. You might be feeling angry, but don't you scream and shout. Don't say it isn't there and don't stomp your feet in pout. It's better to be gracious, that's always my advice. Cause being a sore loser is really losing twice. So at the end of the game, no matter how well you play, there's something you gotta say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners at the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game. Games are lost and games are won, and we're just here to have fun. And there's always another day, so just remember what to say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners, that's the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game. Game on, 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 game on. You're a good gamer 'cause you say good game.
Wow, that was a close one. Good game, Bella.
Good game, Chucky.
And now a song dedicated to the most talented pizza chef and drummer in the world, Pasquale the Chef.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Keep drumming, keep drumming, keep drumming, keep drumming, keep drumming, keep drumming.
I am so in the groove, man.
You hear that crazy sound and you can feel your heart pounding like the drums.
No drum machine here.
The energy is in them just to listen to the rhythm of the drums.
Hey, can you turn up the clicker track?
He may not be the brightest bulb in the box, but you gotta have a drummer if your band really rocks. 'Cause it's grooving and grooving, nothing keeps the people moving but the drums.
I'm a little drummer boy. Yeah, I love playing the drums like I'm making a pizza. But most of all, I love playing the drums while I'm eating the pizza.
Nothing feels neater than keeping with the meter of the drums.
I don't need no metronome.
You gotta move your feet when you feel the heavy beating of the drums.
I just follow the beat of my heart.
You better make sure your drummer's ready to go, 'cause it's a bummer when your drummer doesn't make the show. It's really that you're missing everybody just to listen to the drums.
Drummers are the backbone of any good band. Ringo got nothing out of me. Drum solo! This is just like playing my pots and pans in the kitchen. I'm a sycophant man.
The drummer is rocking, so I'm gonna stop talking about the drums. Keep drumming, keep drumming. And by now I can tell you that I shouldn't have to tell you on the drums. Keep drumming, keep drumming. The rhythm of the drummer is the heart of the song. Be sure that it's so it doesn't go too long. There's power in the drummer, it's the rhythm that's louder than the drums.
Mango solo! Just kidding. Whoa!
The rainbow hamster family, all the colors of the rainbow can you see? There's red, orange, blue, purple, yellow, and green in the rainbow hamster family. The mom and the dad are purple and blue. Hey, look at you, you're purple and blue. It's the rainbow hamster family, all the colors of the rainbow can you see? There's red, orange, blue, purple, yellow, and green in the rainbow hamster family. The brother and the sister are orange and red. From toe to head, they're orange and red. It's the rainbow hamster family, all the colors of the rainbow can you see? There's red, orange, blue, purple, yellow, and green in the rainbow hamster family. things are yellow and green. See what I mean? They're yellow and green. It's the rainbow hamster family. All the colors of the rainbow can you see? There's red, orange, blue, purple, yellow, and green in the rainbow hamster family. And with grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and friends, the list of colors just never ends. Whoa! It's the rainbow hamster family. All the colors of the rainbow can you see? There's red, orange, blue, purple, yellow, and green in the rainbow hamster family. It's the rainbow hamster family. I was just wandering from day to day. Yeah, my projection had no direction, and I couldn't see my fortune, leaving it to fate. Just circumstances, and I'm just taking chances, and then that's when along came you, a bolt out of the blue. And I'm completely certain now I know just what to do. It's me for you and you for me. Life is what it's supposed to be. Whenever you're around, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, sakes alive, let's get this thing in overdrive. You got my toes a tapping, I can't believe what's happened. Cause life's an easy ride when you're here by my side. Think it's heaven sent, this friendship ain't no accident. I was just drifting from wave to wave, without a rudder and about to go under. That's when over the horizon you set my way to help and guide me and be beside me. And now it's very clear to me this friendship's meant to be, and we can go the distance now as far as I can see. Cause it's me for you and you for me. Life is what it's supposed to be. Whenever you're around, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, sakes alive, let's get this thing in overdrive. You got my toes a tapping, I can't believe what's happened. Cause that's an easy ride when you're here by my side. Think it's heaven sent, this friendship ain't no accident. To be whenever you're around, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, sakes alive, let's kick it into overdrive. You got my toes a tapping, I can't believe what's happened. Cause life's an easy ride when you're here by my side. Think it's heaven sent, this friendship ain't no accident.